University of Sialkot, Professor Dr. Khurram Shabbir, ex-Vice Chancellor, GC University Lahore, and also she is the current Vice Chancellor at Government College University Sialkot, Women University Sialkot. Distinguished guest Professor Pfister, Professor Liango, and my respected teacher, Professor Shahid Siddiqui, who was the DG of Abdus School of Mathematical Sciences. I welcome you all, sir. So this ceremony is a closing ceremony of this 4 days international school on algebraic geometry and its application. So the idea, I have explained the idea behind such schools in my opening speech as well. So I would like to reiterate what was the idea behind this school. This school has been faced so many different issues due to non-stability, academic disability, administrative disabilities, and so on. So this was the idea to organize international workshop, and the model was because we had the foreign faculty here. There were too many foreign professors, and they had produced so many PhDs at the school. And those PhDs, they are performing in the different top universities at the top positions now. Most of them are deans, professors, directors, and so on. And they are everywhere across the Pakistan. And the idea was, since there was a long break of foreign faculty here at ASSMS, to connect these two people. Here we had the supervisors, foreign supervisors. Here we had the alumni, the graduates. And then we have you people, the new one. So idea was to connect this chain. Yes? So for instance, Professor Pfister, he supervised more than 10 PhD students at the school. So I requested him to please come over here, and of course Dr. Nimra has very key role. She is from your university, sir. She is sitting there. So she was the key lady who gave us this idea actually to organize this international school. And this way we invite Professor Pfister and his team, which he produced here as a PhD supervisors. And then professor and his team, they all organize it, and then we advertise it. And we opened the registration just for, I think, 2 weeks. It was just for 2 weeks. And we received 200 registrations. 200 registrations. And it was very, very warmly welcomed by and the registration was from all over the Pakistan, from KPK, from Sindh, and from many different areas. And then, of course, we had always the limited resources, and then we had to fix it to the 100. We invited 100 people, and we make sure we pick from every area, at least someone, to accommodate the maximum people. Because the spirit behind this is the only school in this Pakistan which is a national center of mathematics. So, and also there is no registration fee for this workshop and also for this conference. And this is the only platform where there is no registration fee, and accommodation, we have provided the free accommodation to the candidates as well here. Because this is basically the spirit. And this way we want to build this ecosystem, to have this research culture with this chain. And this was the first school we organized under this idea. And we will be continuing doing it with the different supervisors. We'll be inviting the supervisors, their students, and then they will train the new generation. So this is basically the idea behind this workshop. And of course, our graduates I'm very grateful to invited speakers from LAMS. Dr. Imran we had from LAMS. He's the head of the department in LAMS. We have Dr. Junaid from IBA. We had someone from ComSets. Dr. Nimra from Sialkot University, Dr. Faira from EPSI, we have someone from Namal University, Mianwali as well, and one graduate who is serving at Sultan Qaboos University, Oman. He was also there online to, to guide them. So, as I told you, this school was designed to reconnect our alumni with their supervisor and providing them a platform where mentorship continues and the skills are upgraded. So this was the idea. And before ending this, because we have so many valuable speakers here, so I would like to get the benefit of this gathering. So on the Monday, we have international conference. And in that conference, we received 700 registration. 700 people registered from all over the Pakistan. And then this was again a challenge, how to minimize it. And then what we did is, we had 3 days. We shortlisted daily 240 people. And we facilitate the maximum people, which we can do that. And our guest, of course, as I gave you the list, the 3 key guests. This is first time in the history of Pakistan that we are having 3 top offices here in Pakistan. The one is the president of International Mathematical Union, Professor Hirako Nakajima. He's from Japan. And the other is Professor Balaz. He is the chairman of European Mathematical Society Committee for Developing Countries. He is specially for the developing countries. He will be here in our conference. And the third person is Peter Steve-Hagen. He is the president of International Mathematics Masters. There are 2 places, LUMS and ComSets. They are running this program. And hopefully we will be the third one to run this program, inshallah. So here I would like to thank you again to all the candidates and of course our organizing committee, Dr. Fahim, Dr. Ali, Shehbaz, Dr. Shehbaz, and our Hamza, Dr. Nimra, and so many else. So I thank you all and have a good day.